Hi everybody, Thelindabradley from Prince's House. So I already came to you and showed you all of the customer specials, but guess what? The company decided to give you an extra couple ones, right? Don't we love new specials? So I wanted to come on real quick and just show you what they are. These are both customer specials. You do not have to buy a regular priced item in order to get them. You can just take them straight out. So the first one that I want to show you is part of our Fantasia Fresh collection. You know I love Fantasia Fresh because you can use it all the time. You can use it to prep your foods, you can use it to cook your foods, you can use it to put on the table because it's beautiful. You can pop it back in the refrigerator with leftovers and you're going to see what your leftovers are. They won't go bad. You can then put it in the dishwasher. They're awesome. So these are some of the bigger sizes, and some of these aren't even in the book anymore. So this is a whole package if you want to just upgrade your kitchen. So this is an 8x8 square in the Fantasia Fresh. You can use this to bake your chicken breast, apple betty, anything like that. The next piece in this line is going to be a 6x8 square. Well, it's not square. Oh my gosh, a rectangular one. 6x8. So that one was an 8x8. This one's a 6x8. Then we're also going to give you two of these are the 1 cup. So these are good for your smaller portions. And then last but not least, we're going to give you 2 of the 2 cups. And this whole set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces is on sale for $129.95 plus shipping plus tax. And you don't have to have a regular price item. You can just flat out buy it. All right. That's new special number 1. New special number 2 is one of my most favorite items. I use it all the time. We call this a 4-in-1 immersion blender or a stick blender, however you want to look at it. This is great if you don't have a lot of extra room in your kitchen because it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it is used for so many things. So this one is a masher. You can use it obviously for your mashed potatoes. This is how easy it is to change, twist and turn. That's it. The next one is a blender, and this one is good for, there's a vessel that I left in my kitchen because I use it for smoothies, right? There's a vessel that you can use. So this is for smoothies. You can use it for homemade mayonnaise, any of that. Then we have the whip. So this is good for whipped cream, yeah, or eggs or pancakes. And then last but certainly not least, we have the, this is a really cool one. This is a chopper, right? Like a, what do you call this? A personal blender. I'm not thinking of the word. It's a mini chopper. Food processor. It's a mini food processor. You can use this for vegetables. You can also use it for nuts. I use it for that. I am nuts. You can use this for baking. So this whole set, the immersion blender with 4-in-1, is also on sale for $129. So these are 2 new customer specials. You can take advantage of them and you do not have to buy a regular price item. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. I will be happy to answer your questions. If you're ready to order, go right to my site, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley. Look for open parties and there's going to be a party that says order here and you can take advantage of it. All right? Thanks so much for watching.